Hi there. Welcome to this demonstration from Nandan GSE. We are very proud to unveil India's first made in India electric boom lift, the A45E. The A45E made by JCB is a top of the line, a world class product which is made as per the AS as well as the EN standard, and the best kind of quality of material, the best design and the best functionality is already seen in it. You must be used to using either cheap import from somewhere else or very expensive import from Europe and the US. But now you have an option. You have an option to buy a Make in India product which has got local service, local sales. Nandan comes on board to help you to choose the right equipment and to give you the right training so that you can use it up. This has got a beautiful counterbalance design, a four-wheel drive system which is on the ground. It's got non-marking foam-filled tires. We have structural steel which is made in JCB's plant in Jaipur, very much in India. From there on, there is a coating that has been done. The powder coating has been done so that you have a long service life without having to repaint it up. A lot of components in this are fiberglass, like you can see. These are all fiberglass components. This is operated using a battery system which has got a charging system on board, as well as you can charge it using a fast charger. But all in all, the functionality of this helps you to do a 360-degree reach. You can have an operator standing up there and go there. You can have him moving it across without the need for a truck within your system. And the most important thing is that your operator will feel safe. The safety of your operator is the most important aspect in the whole riddle. We in India are used to seeing jugaad of ladders, of different kinds of boom lifts, or hanging a bucket on a hydra. There was a friend of mine who was hanging a bucket from a boom crane, hydra crane, and they were replacing light bulbs. The hook on which they had attached it kind of slipped. The poor guy fell down. He sustained a life-threatening disability for the rest of his life. We do not want that to happen to your plant. So please contribute to the safety of your workmen, because they contribute to the economy in ways which are not answered or acknowledged at all. We would want you to think about them and invest into this product, which will help you to save on scaffolding, to save on trucks which are coming inside, and most importantly, you do not have the fumes of a diesel machine within your factory. You can work in silence, you can work in clean environment, and you can work in safety. So right from the joystick to the movement to accessing the heights that you need, JCB's A45E, that is E is electric, is available for your needs, and Nandan GSE is available just with a phone call away on the numbers listed or an email away at sales@nandan.co.in. So welcome to this new era of electric aerial lifts.